So we'll go to the next slide, which is going to be cancellations. I'll briefly be covering what we never want to happen, which is cancellations. The carrier will send out cancellations for the following reasons, which is going to be non-payment or non-reporting. So as Lexi mentioned, work comp policies are set up on direct bill. So if payment is not received, carriers will send out a notice of cancellation, and it's going to give the insured a certain amount of time to make that payment. Our office receives the notice, and we're going to send it to you so you can communicate with the insured and ensure they are sending in payment prior to the cancellation date. Another type of cancellation is non-reporting. Audits are required to be completed by the insured at every policy term. And if an insured does not comply with those requirements, they're going to receive a large non-compliance fee, and their current policy will go into pending cancellation. Carriers are extremely strict on due dates for audits. So if an insured does not send in the required documents before the pending cancellation date, the insured's policy will be canceled with no chance of reinstatement. And then an insured's request to cancel policy is short rate penalty. So if they choose to do this, the carrier requires a completed and signed LPR form, which is the cancellation request policy release form, and that needs to be submitted the day they are canceling. Another issue I see often is an insured not completing an LPR when moving to another carrier at their renewal. So that means the insured is then double covered until an LPR is submitted to their incumbent carrier. Obviously, this is going to cause a lot of problems because their incumbent policy will probably go into cancellation and then be audited. So the best practice for avoiding policy cancellations is you got to make sure you're communicating well with the insured, following up on their account so it stays active. That way you don't run into any cancellation issues.